boy.
Oh.
Yeah, they taste like that. But then again, they taste like a... Gosh! These have peanut butter in it, and I'm allergic to peanut butter.
You and me will always be tight. Memory every single day and night. Even when you start acting like a fool, you know I'm loving every single thing you do. I know that I can always be myself.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Taniyanitrapromotions, back with another video. If you are new to my channel, click that subscribe button, click that like button, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified every time we post. Hey, where you going, boy? We finna eat these snacks. We finna try these snacks. Oh, he does this every time. We finna try these snacks, boy. So when we try these snacks, don't even think about coming back in. But anyways, we got these treats from Treats. And we're gonna be trying candy and all that kind of stuff from other countries. So I think this will be like a specific. I think this is gonna be like a specific country. So let's open it up. The boy.
Oh.
So let's open it up and see what we got in here. You ready? Ooh, this is, what is that?
Look.
What does that sticker mean? We're gonna see. Oh, South Korea. We are trying snacks from South Korea. They send you a beautiful picture and all that. I will leave their link and stuff in the bio. I believe with a discount code too.
There.
So thanks, Trees, for sending us these delicious snacks, even though we haven't tried them yet.
I bet some of these are nasty.
Okay, what's inside? They send you a thing showing you what's all inside. And we finna try what Kingston grabbed first. He grabbed these. I mean, I just got my bracelet. I shouldn't even be eating some of this, but I'm still try it. He grabbed these little chocolate corns. So they chose. You go first?
Oh, I'm okay.
You go next? Tell me how it tastes.
I got these.
Yes.
It's alright.
And I mean, look like Kingston like them.
It's alright, but the last pump.
They taste like them wafers, the chocolate kind. You know how they have strawberry wafers, vanilla wafers? Yeah, they taste like that. But then again, they taste like a Cheeto chocolate.
And we just start.
It's not bad.
Well,
If you put these in milk, it's gonna be so good.
I don't eat chocolate like that, so don't be hating on me. I don't eat chocolate like that.
Ooh, my
I
fat
drink
man
chocolate
like
milk.
that. Here you go, boo.
I want to grab one.
Okay, you can grab one. Okay, what that is?
Let me. So these are some Choco Boys.
Yeah.
Whatever they call.
So we can try these Choco Boys. All this chocolate stuff. Oh Lord. So I'll get one since he's eating his little thing he like right now. A Choco Boy.
It seems good.
Let me see what these ingredients. They don't even got ingredients. Look like a little. No. Okay.
Come on. Get it.
You can try one of these now. Wait. Here you go. Here you go.
But they're good.
No, we're not eating that yet. Here you go.
You do it.
That's actually good, ain't it? Good little snack. Okay. Here you go. One more for you. Here. I think yours are broke. It's actually good. It tastes like something I ate before, don't it? I don't know what to tell out. It's good though. Okay, next we have these Malang cow
Let's see how
soft chewing candy.
So let's see how that's gonna taste.
Apparently it's strawberry flavored. Oh, they come in little packaging. They look like they're gonna be good, right? One.
Oh, it's off. This better be good.
Here you go, Kingston. You can get a piece of mine because. Here you go.
If it smells good, I'm eating it. I'm
Well,
telling
he's
you
still
that
in his thing. I'm gonna try.
I'm telling you that right now. Dang, bro,
I get the
what is that?
taste of it. I really can't eat this since I just got my braces. But I'm gonna let Kingston try a piece. Here you go. It tastes like these.
Like little hamburger gummy things and stuff.
Oh, like the Krabby Patty gummy. It do have the texture of those. If y'all ever had the Krabby Patty gummies with the little hamburger bun, that's what it has the texture of. Okay, Kingston grabbed this, so this is what we're finna eat next. Kingston likes it all. He likes everything, really. He likes all type of junk food.
But we're not eating it right now, please. We're not eating it right now.
Toasted seaweed.
We're
We're finna try toasted. Oh yeah. No, Kingston, not yet. We finna try toasted seaweed, y'all. So let's do it.
Good food. Too.
Oh no. Okay, then you're gonna try it first. Cause you're the double OG. It smells like candy, don't it? What kind of? What is it? Toasted seaweed. Boy,
There's no way I'm taking a bite.
Yes. Do it.
I'll do it for the fans.
Do it.
Oh, bro.
It's not that bad.
Oh, can I get some water?
You can try. Okay, he said I'm gonna get this right back to you. Okay, baby, I understand. I'm not trying it. No way. It's already stank. Ain't no way. I'm gonna let my classmates try some of this at school tomorrow. I did an other video on like trying treats from my other countries or whatever, from other countries, and they liked it some of that, but I didn't like it at all. Whatever this is, I don't know. We're gonna try it.
I'll put some soap on my tongue.
Okay. You ready to eat? Yeah. Here you go.
Let's see this.
Ugh.
Let me try one.
Ew.
Dang, bro. It's on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Boy, bite it.
Oh yeah.
If you're gonna throw up, I'm putting this out. Oh my gosh. These have peanut butter in it and I'm allergic to peanut butter. Hopefully nothing will happen because I didn't swallow it, but I can tell when I get in contact with peanut butter because my tongue start itching. But as long as I don't swallow it, I'm good. But now my tongue's gonna be itching for a while. Ew. You make chips with peanut butter.
Hey, I'm tired
Sweet
of it.
biscuit. Now let me drink sure this don't got nothing.
I'm tired of it, bro.
Okay, try a sweet biscuit. Maybe this will make my tongue stop itching. Here you go.
Man, I gotta try
What you
everything.
eating?
I gotta try everything now.
Oh, he like them cookies.
I gotta try everything, Mom. You go first.
Bless me.
Normal.
Yeah, it just kind of tastes like a little Ritz cracker.
I'm done with it.
Yeah, my tongue is itching now.
Choco biscuit. Let's see how those. So let's see how those taste.
I guess Kingston's done with this.
Alright. Bye bye.
Yeah, he's exiting stage left.
First time in the D. See what? What's the deal with it?
You taste it first. What the box say? I gotta make sure this stuff don't got that stuff in it, like peanut butter.
I'll tell you, we got peanut butter. Chocolate.
Yeah, I don't.
It's good. My last one. Called.
It's alright. I ain't a big fan of chocolate. Yeah. Now you're finna try these pepperoni chocolate and biscuit white cookie. I like white chocolate. Okay, get one.
See how these go.
Y'all pray that I don't have an allergic reaction because I chewed on them things with the peanut butter. Then I chewed on them things with the pistachio nut or whatever they are.
Take it.
You like them?
Good.
Okay.
Mm.
Next, we are trying. Oh, they put it on there.
Cocoa butter.
Tree nut. Yeah, I can't eat this, but you can try it.
So this is, what is this called? This is some Mexican stuff now.
If you're allergic to nuts, be careful.
Nah, I don't know what this
Just
is,
be careful, Kiki.
but I'ma eat it for the fans now. Yeah, gonna get my guess.
Must be nice not to be allergic to anything. I'm allergic to nuts, fish,
Some fish.
all fish.
Could you be eating that fish or what's that called?
Captain D.
Yeah.
My throat be itchy.
So what is this? What is this? So this is like
Eat it, boy, dang.
I taste a cracker and I taste chocolate.
Good.
Yeah, that's good. And I taste peanut butter.
A choco pie.
But that peanut butter, that peanut butter nasty.
It's like a moon pie.
Man.
It's 2 choco pies. So we're just gonna try. We're just gonna take this and try it. Kingston the mirror. What are you doing?
He's in the middle. Under the Brown Jr., Ashanti, Lanaya Brown. Hold up. Tanaya,
Why you your butt over here?
Tanaya, Anisha Williams. How y'all say Williams?
Okay, you try. You bite first.
I gotta go for it now. No. I don't like the chocolate. I'm not gonna come to school since I got my pillow.
It tastes like a regular moon pie like you get at the store in America. So, yeah, we ate all the snacks. Most of them were nasty to me. What would you rate it? 1 to 10 out of all the snacks from South Korea? You seem to like a lot of them.
Like a 6 or something.
Kingston, I know he was rated probably about a 10 for the ones he did eat.
No, that's probably like a 9.
I rated, or just because it was a lot of stuff that I was allergic to that I couldn't even try. And now my mouth is itching and stuff.
At the end of the video. But make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification.
And that like button, period. We out here. Love y'all. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for Vlogtober because it's on and popping. This just Vlogtober day 3.
Period, boo.
Flowing nigga, I be damn. I'm the man, understand, I'm the fucking man. Mirror to the dirty, so I cop the weather band. Now I need a roller, getting high, I never land.